Hey guys, this is Kyle Denmark with Denmark Lawn. We are at Birchman Baptist Church in Fort Worth, Texas, installing some mulch today. We've got about 4 pallets to put down, and we just wanted to let you know why you should choose Denmark Lawn to install your mulch in your flower beds. One reason is we use the best products, and so we're going to purchase our material from Silver Creek Material. We use a product called Saddle Brown Mulch. This is the product here behind me. It's a really dark brown, and it's double brown so that when it rains, it's not going to actually run off into the street or run off onto the sidewalks or your hard surfaces. Second reason you should choose Denmark Lawn is we know how to properly mulch. So we're not going to over mulch or under mulch your flower beds. We try to put down about 2 inches, and we try to make sure that we cover everything so that we can kind of keep the weeds at bay. And then the third reason you want to choose Denmark Lawn is we invest in the right equipment to be able to do your job properly. And so we have big flatbed trucks so we can bring 2 or 3 pallets at a time. We don't have to make multiple trips and pass that cost on to you. If you have any questions about mulching your flower beds or you want an estimate, reach out to us at denmarklawn.com, or you can send us an email at clientcare@denmarklawn.com, or just fill out a form on the website. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.